Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I visited back to Nkisi Estate in Onitsha to go and bring you guys the latest updates concerning the ongoing dualization of the road. So the last time we visited, some section of those roads have been asphalted and some has received stone base, and this time around the only place that's been asphalted is the same place we showed you the last time we visited this location. So on today's visitation, I'm gonna show you another angle of it that we could not be able to show you the last time we visited. Aside from where it has a dead end, there are some other section of it attached to that particular one, but we are unable to show you that side last time we visited this location. So sit back and relax as we are continue on the journey of bringing you the latest update on this ongoing dualization. So the area you finished watching just now is the area that has been asphalted. So from this angle downward has not been asphalted. It only received stone base, and the other side of it has also received stone base at some point, and ground leveling at some point. So it's not everywhere on the other side of it that has received stone base for now. As you can see over here, this angle heading down has not received any stone base except this side we are currently at. So from here down to some certain place, the stone base end, and the rest of it has just received dualization and revealing of ground. Like I said at the beginning of this video, we're gonna be showing you another section of this road which we are unable to show you the last time we visited this particular place. The place is just after this particular one where it has a dead end. Then you move a little bit by your left hand side and see another section of that road. So all these places has not received stone base at all. The only thing that has been done here is the leveling of ground and dualization. So from here we're going to be heading down, and again what I found out on this our visitation is that no tractors or workers were on site when we visited this last time, and you can see that the work is not yet done, but we could not find any workers. And yesterday we visited, being the Thursday, it's not a public holidays, neither are they doing anything, but we are here to know if the work is currently on stop, or maybe they just move out their tractors to fix some other location. So from here you can see that the demarcation they use here is quite is not big, just is normal in size. But after this location, heading down a little bit, you will notice that the demarcation became more wide, very very wide. So from what I saw there, I think that part of the road is wider than what we have in this area. So this is the looks of everything from this our last visitation. So the only thing I can say is that the work seems fast, but at some point it seems sluggish. So we are waiting to know if the work is currently on pause, or maybe they went for holidays to be back again in the couple of days or weeks to complete the project they have started. So this is the looks of things currently. Watch the video through, tell us what you feel about everything. The last time I visited, I explained and gave you guys, brief of about the route, show you some of the drainage system being constructed in this area, which I did not do this last time I visited. But the drainage system is quite okay. It's quite okay. The road is very nice. What I don't know right now is if the road will come with walkways. So, but we're gonna further our hands and watch until it's completed. Let's see if it will have a walkway or not. So continue watching the video and see everything for yourself. Aside touring this road, I also seized the opportunity to explore inside Nkisi estate to see what is currently looking like. And in my next upload, maybe early next week or ending of this week, I'll be uploading the video giving you a little details of what the Nkisi looks like, maybe cost of apartments and general cost of living within this area, and if it's a good option for you to relocate to, or maybe if you're coming in from outside Anambra State or outside Onitsha newly. So aside that, you can see the demarcation I showed you earlier. You can see how wide it is, wider than the previous one we have been seeing. This is the size of this demarcation. You can see that this particular one is very, very wide. So I don't actually know what they want to do here. If there's anything they are trying to do over here, I'm not yet I'm yet to know if there is any special thing they want to do here, or they are doing it because this road is quite wide or something. So after this place, we're gonna be taking you down to the new location where we could not be able to cover the last time we visited here. So this is where the road has dead end. This one will be taking you to somewhere else, and this one is where we are coming from, and the other side is also another angle. I think the first one I showed you is that place we took you to where we could not be able to show you the last time we visited this location. And this is the signboard of the solution is here stops. You can see what is written over there. They say them Nkisi Boulevard something. So from here right now we'll be taking you down to that angle to also show you. So what we find out from that particular angle, which we are currently at right now, this is it. What we find out here is that the drainage system has also been completed here. Leveling of ground is ongoing, but they are not currently at work, but their tractors are here, but no workers were on site. And some stones has also been been put in place. Like there's some stones at up at where this road has a dead end. Some stones are there already, but they have not started pouring it on any section of the road, but the drainage system has been completed for now. So guys, I want you to see everything and tell us what you feel about the whole thing via our comment sections, and what you think they should have done that they are not doing currently. So guys, this is where we're going to be ending the video. Watch the remaining few seconds, and don't forget to like the video. Click on the like button, click on the notification bell to be the first person to get notified each time we publish a new video. Do have a wonderful day till we see you again in our next video.